For this demo, we are going to open a Revit project. Revit is the #1 Building Information Management Platform, or BIM. The Revit platform that we are working in is used by over 90% of the architects and engineering firms. A project that is built within the Revit platform will have all the components modeled within the project: architectural models, structural models, and all the mechanical and electrical, plumbing, or MEP systems. To see all the mechanical, electrical, and plumbing, or MEP systems in this project, we will filter out the architectural and structural model. 99% of the time, the MEP models are designed with generic content. This means that the actual dimensional information may vary from manufacturer to manufacturer and component type to component type, but is close enough to create a basis of design for the project. With our supply source application or app, we can easily extract the MEP material list and allow a user to select the proper components using real manufacturer dimensional data for their project. This cuts down the time it takes to redraw the design later when the manufacturer list is selected. For this example, we will select the piping materials. From the selection window, a user can select a specific system they want to work within by entering the system name, or they can select all systems in the project. For this example, we are going to select all piping systems. Once the decision has been made, simply hit the Submit button and the user is sent to the Supply Source website. As you can see, the Supply Source website has already been populated with the details of the drawing that have been brought over from the Revit site. While on the Supply Source site, the user can select the system they want to get the material list for. With the material list selected, a user can begin to filter through their product selection by choosing how they want the material sorted. In this example, it is being sorted by piping method, connection type, installation time, or piping material, and the material manufacturer, product pricing, domestic, or import. Once the filter has been set and the user can start selecting their products for the system. It is important to note that pipe connections are typically not the same for all sizes throughout the entire system. By default, 2 size ranges have been set, but users can add more size ranges as needed. First, the user will select the min and max sizes for the material selection. Next, they will select the connection type for the piping system. Then they can select the product manufacturer. This process will then be repeated for the other size ranges. When the material selection is complete, Supply Source will show the material price for the system and the labor time for the installation based on Standard Mechanical Contractors Association of America or MCAA labor rates. At this time, the user can add other systems to their selection or simply click on the checkout option to place their order. For this example, we will add to the order. In the order page, you will see what systems have been set up and the pricing for each order. You can also review the material takeoff list by selecting the Click to See Material List. Simple navigation allows the user to select a button that will allow them to repeat the same process or a comparable price, or they can proceed to the checkout where they will be prompted to provide payment, scheduling, and shipping information. This page also allows the user to purchase our detailed Revit project tool, which automatically updates the Revit platform with the selected details they have made by using the Supply Source platform. And finally, Supply Source provides the option for the end user to purchase our managed coordination and fabrication services, where our team of MEP designers will assist contractors with their project coordination and fabrication drawings.